Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, in my previous video, I reviewed this LensGo 348C and I also made a distance test and I was amazed actually, to be honest. It really has good sound quality, but we have a problem. The cables coming together with this one help us to use it with smartphones, Android smartphones, and also with cameras, even with GoPros, but we cannot use with iPhones because there is no cable coming together with this microphone which will help us to use it with iPhones. I have an iPhone here. How we will connect it to our iPhone to make sound recording? Well, for this we need to buy an iPhone lightning adapter, and it is this adapter. This is lightning adapter to TRS, or let's say TRS to lightning adapter. Let me show you how we will connect it. This cable coming together with LensGo 348C is TRS to TRS cable. This cable is TRS to TRS cable. With this cable, we will use it with our cameras, with GoPros, and with this cable, we will use it with Android smartphones. So we will use this cable to connect this microphone to our iPhone. What we need to do is, this part will be connected to this TRS part, like this. And then we will connect this lightning part to our iPhone, just like that. And then, of course, we will connect this one to the receiver. Here is our receiver. And we will connect this part to our receiver 3.5 mm socket here. And then now we can use it with our iPhones as well. I hope you found this short video useful. If you find it useful, please write your comments in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until we see you in our next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.